Hi, I'm David for Culture and West. You are welcome back to our fashion designing course online. Today we'll be focusing on stitches and seams. Once you hear fashion designing, the first thing that should come to your mind is perfect finishing. And this can only be achieved by mastering this class. Therefore, this class is very important. It's fundamental and you need it all through the course. In fact, all through your career as a fashion designer. I believe you watch our previous videos on body measurement for women clothing and for men also. And if not, please do, because we are not going to repeat it again in this course. And it's very important. We are going to need you over and over. Share, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to turn on the notification button also, in order to be notified as soon as we upload new videos. We want to hear from you. We want to know what you think about the videos by commenting in the comment box. We are going to sew zigzag, we are going to sew curve, then we are going to sew circle, and we will make sure we master all this. You need to practice over and over until you master it before the next class. And what we are going to need in today's class are, we need a groove for measuring, then we need ruler, which is very important for drawing straight line. We can use any of the ruler. We just need something to connect. Then we need tailor chalk. Then we are going to need a sewing machine. It's very important. Either manual or industrial, it doesn't matter. What matters is you that is sewing it. Then we are going to need a fabric. But this place, I'm not going to use actual fabric. I'm using landing because it's very cheap and it's not going to cost you much. You need it. We are not going to use paper. We are using real fabric. Now we'll be using this. This is very cheap. We use it to turn the body of the cloth, but we can still be using it. This MP4 landing. You are going to measure, like here now. I measure 10 inches like this. Then I measure 20 inches down. Then I cut it out. We are going to cut it out like this from our landing material. That is the fabric we are going to be using. Then now this 10 inches now, I'm going to measure it inch by inch like this. I take 1 inch, this another inch on 2. On number 3rd inches, I take another one. I take it like this all through. Then I will do the same thing for down. I take inch, 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 inch. Remember, I measure 10 inches. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the ruler to connect the 2 points. The point from up, the point from down. I draw it. You can use pencil, you can use biro. You don't need to rush. You take it easy. Sometimes you may even need to grab the machine egg so that it can go at your pace. Now you take it this way. But I do not need to do that. You sew it like this from up to the line. The more you practice, the more you become perfect. Then you follow the second line, you follow the same way all through. Then you can practice over and over for this straight line class. This is the first assignment now will be on straight line. When you draw like this, you sew like this, you make sure you trace all the line that you mark out. We'll be sewing zigzag. This is our second project. And now what we do is that we cut out the fabric the same way we did for the first class. Now this is 10 inches by 18 inches or 20 inches. You can cut anything according to your depth. Now we are marking it out at 3 inches intervals like this. Then the same thing for down. We mark it out at the same 3 inches interval like this, like this, like this. Then we use ruler to connect the 2 points from up to down. Then the same thing here from up to down. Then the same thing here. Then we come to the vertical aspect. We measure 3 inches also interval. We measure 3 inches, we mark it out. Another 3 inches, we mark it out. Another 3 inches like this, we mark it out, and so on. Then now it gives us box when we connect all the points, because we mark 3 inches for up. We do the same thing for down. Then we connect it. Then they give us like boxes. Now we are connecting this angle, the beginning of the box to the end like this. We take the same thing like this. We take the same thing this up. But you'll be using ruler. You take the same thing like this. Then you take the same thing like this, you take the same thing like this, which give us zigzag. Then you do the same thing for number 2 like this. Then we do it this way also, this way, this way, this way. At the end of the day, we are going to trace this line with our machine. We stitch along it. We stitch like this, like this, like this, like this. We stitch the zigzag. We are going to stitch like this also. We follow until we master this line. Also, is very important. When you get to here, you stop it with your machine. You move the fabric this way, you lift it, then you sew like this again. When you get to the end, you pause, you move like this. When you get to here, you pause, you move like this. This thing might not be making meaning to you for now, but believe me, along the road you know the reason why we need to do this class, because you are going to do it over and over. You are going to be encountering them along the road. Now this zigzag, then you practice over and over again until you master the zigzag class. You do number 1, you do the same thing for the second line, you do it for the third line until you master it. You don't need to be in a hurry, you don't need to rush. You can even be holding the hand of the head of the machine. What matter here is perfection. We don't want speed. Speed can come later, it can come later. But now you need to focus on perfection. Make sure you are getting it accurately. Then along the road, you can increase your speed. It will be doing curve. If you have this ruler for you, you are lucky, which is better. This type of ruler, we use this to draw the curve, which is like this. Then if you don't have it, you can still use your hand and follow along. You don't need to have the ruler. But what we want to achieve is that you are able to master all this curve and trace it out with the machine. This will be your assignment. You use your machine after drawing your curve. Use your machine like this to trace it, to follow along. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to increase this. Just take it easy. But what we really need is that perfection. We want you to master it, which is very important. Now our next project will be on cycle. Now I'm not using tools because many people might not have tools. I don't want you to be left out. If you have tools, if you have compass, you can use it to draw this. But I don't want to be using tools because of people that don't have tools. That means you can also get it right even without any tools. Now this one, I formed the cycle, which will be using the machine to trace it out, to stitch it. Then I did something like this, like snake. Is a cycle form. I take it around. Then we use the machine also to follow it around like this, like this, like this, until we master it. If you get the first one correctly, you can practice and practice again. You can do this on your own before the next class. Now when you are trying to trace something like this, you don't need to be fast. Speed does not matter. You can hold it down like this with your hand. Hold the head of the machine. Then what matters is that you should be able to follow, trace it. You can even lift it up if it's giving you challenge. Then you follow it this way. Follow it this way. I want to follow at your own level so that we are able to come to the same thing. Follow like this. Follow like this. Like this. The reason why this is important is that we are going to need it along the road, and we will not begin to come back to this class. That is why I want you to master this. By the end of the day, when you are able to master this, we've done the straight line, we've done the zigzag, we've done the curve. Now we are doing we've done the cycle. Now we are doing this. By the time you finish this, that means you are ready for the main business. Thank you for watching. I would like you to like and subscribe to our channel, share. Then you need to turn on your notifications so that as soon as we upload new videos you are able to get it. I want to hear from you. We want to hear what you think about this video, what you think about it, the way, what you really want us to do, because I said the course is going to be user guided. I want to hear from you. I want to see your challenges as you are following along, so that I will be able to solve it together with you. Thank you.